Tyler Lester on the ball called Madison. Nathan Gokenauer on the Wampus Cat. Christy Martin on the high maintenance. Todd Tanner on the old Grand Mall. EL40 cubic inch motor, 6-cylinder diesel, 1 single turbo, intercooler, water injection. Bringing up the RPM, weighing in 10,000 pounds.
.933, 28.3 on the speed.
That's one of our sponsors, the Big L Tire Pros down at Harrisonburg, and also Fear Force. So when you get into about an October season and a haunted force, you got to remember. These tractors came from the factory right about 125 to 130 horsepower. And they're well into that 1200 because of the cubic inches that they're running.
1,500.
They're taking a 466 and got about 540 out of it. Watch that smoke, a little bit light color. He's going to pull that valve. All that fuel is going in and then bringing up the RPM. Driving on the ball called Finder.
That's easy. That's the easy part. We're talking about that water injection spraying in on top of the piston. What that is spraying into that cylinder, and if you can see fire on the John Deere out of this big red here, we'll see what happens. Nathan Gokenauer on the hook. I want to go back into the tractor, drive the tractor.
situation there. Smoking up a storm right there. Last 51 years, every time there's a tractor pull here, Todd Tanner come down the track. This tractor called Old Grandma. $297.30, $297.30 for Todd.
So somebody went over there and got them a hamburger and a drink or something, and all of a sudden pulled the keys out and lost it. So check your pockets. If you lost your keys, I've got them. Did you? West Green doing the driving on the pole sheet. Finishing up number 3. Harlow Harvester on the Ball Falls Binder, number 4. Nathan Gokenauer on the Wampus Cat John Deere 5. Chad down the road on the recap.
Possible by these sponsors. And we'd also like to take time to thank all of our WWP TV sponsors. Here's a couple of videos that we think you'll like.